Hi, this is Jenna with Keyless Entry Remote. I am here to show you how to replace a key fob battery. The key fob I am showing you today is compatible with a 2003 to a 2004 Toyota 4Runner. The part number, which is located on the back, is HYQ12BAN. To open the key fob, all you need is a screwdriver. At the top of the key fob is a little slit. Just stick the screwdriver in and twist. The battery is located here. Take a smaller screwdriver and just pop it right out. And the battery for this key fob is CR2016. To replace it, just snap it back in and then snap the key fob back together. If you need to order a replacement battery or an actual key fob remote, visit us online at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100.